door. You walk in, and the half bath is here, very convenient off the entry in the garage. It's a nice, fully finished garage space. You have this flex room right here with a closet. And then you go upstairs to the other 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Nice big storage space. It's deep underneath the stairs back there. They have great use of space. Easy care flooring on the first floor, carpet on the second floor. Look at this, the beautiful bar stools that bring out the blue in this Zanzibar or Mediterranean style tile. Just goes so perfectly with the color of the countertops. Nice pulls. Nice deep pantry. And then opens up. Look at this, the natural light. It's so beautiful, the spaces in this home. I just don't think the pictures online do it justice. So this would be the formal dining with tons of hanging out seating around the island, and then open to the living room. So great home for entertaining. Plus, walk right outside to this gorgeous covered patio here. It's really a large covered patio. You could put your grilling and outdoor kitchen in here, still have room for that. And then they extended the patio with this pretty curved and finished edge. And it's Saturday morning. There is a gun range in the distance. You can hear a little bit. So if you have considered this home and that would be something that you were concerned about, you can tell it's not really that noticeable. Some days it is a little bit more noticeable. And then you've got this green space back behind. There's nothing slated to be developed back there. There's a walking trail. So we're gonna do another video for the primary bedroom and bathroom.